Complex fractions? That sounds scary. Well, not if you know what they are. As in all concepts in math, if you don't know how to do it, it might seem a little scary. But once the little tricks are revealed to you, it's actually a lot of fun. So, what are complex fractions? Okay, so let's find them. First of all, a complex fraction is it's like a double fraction, okay? So like if I had something like this, it means 1/2 divided by 16. See, 1/2 is a fraction. It means 1 divided by 2, and then divided by 16. So I can rewrite this to look like something more familiar, which would be 1/2 divided by 16. Now, we talked about dividing fractions. All you have to do is, oh yeah, that's right. You don't divide fractions. You multiply by the reciprocal. So here we go. We're going to say 1/2 times 16 over 1 is a fraction. So I'm going to change that, to 1 over 16. Okay, and now I can multiply across 1 over 32. So this complex fraction right here reduces to 1 over 32. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. 1/2 divided by 3/4. So I just do 1/2 divided by 3/4. Multiply by the reciprocal, 4/3. Okay, now in this one, I can cross cancel. Okay, so 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice, and now I multiply across. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And that is your answer. Okay, now there's another type of complex fraction, and it looks kind of crazy, but it simplifies really easily. We have something like this. 1 plus 2/3 over 8. Ooh, wow. Okay, here we go. So what you're going to do is you just simplify the top, and that's divided by whatever's on the bottom. Okay, so 1 plus 2/3 is simply 1 and 2/3 divided by 8. So I'm going to write it 1 and 2/3 divided by 8 like that. Then when I multiply or divide, I need to change this to an improper fraction. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 6. Okay, and 6 over 3 reduces to 2. So I can say 2 divided by 8. So I could just do this, 1/4. Or I could say 2 times 1 over 8. Remember, multiply by the reciprocal. So that is equal to 2/8 also. So you could do that this way or that way. You could just make this into a fraction, or you can multiply by the reciprocal. And you notice I get the same answer both times. So all you do is you simplify the top number, simplify the bottom number, and then simplify the whole entire fraction. And that is pretty much it. I have another example here. Complex fractions. So whatever you have for the numerator, you just simplify it. Okay, I'm just going to make one up. Okay, so here's something. Looks a little strange. So I simplify the top divided by whatever the bottom is. Okay, so 1/2, in order to subtract, I have to have a common denominator. So I'm going to change this one to 4/8 minus 3/8 equals 1/8. So I have 1/8 on the numerator, and then I have to change this one to 2/4. So I have 3/4 plus 2/4 equals 5/4. So I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm going to use it in another problem. So I'm going to do 1/8 divided by the denominator, which was 5/4. Okay, so I'll write that out right here. This is kind of what I have. 1/8 divided by 5/4. And that looks like this. Okay, now you remember we do not divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal. So 1/8 times 4/5. Now here I can cross cancel. So I'm going to divide 4 here. I get 1. Divide 4 here. I get 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. And this is my final answer. So all of this reduces to 1/10. And there you have it. Just simplify the top, simplify the bottom. They are divided. And then when you get a problem like this, you multiply by the reciprocal. Thank you for watching. See you next time.